Hey Trendy Squad, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're not a part of the Trendy Squad, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. In today's video, you guys, I have a few packages that are arriving, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a mini unboxing for you guys. I can't wait for you guys to see this video. Getting packages right now seems to be so exciting because you can't go anywhere. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, you guys, so I got some packages here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we got to do the whole entire process now again with the Lysol, and we just like kind of just spray down my packages. Hopefully I'm not killing these plants. Then I let them sit out here for a little bit so the germs can go away, and then I can bring them inside. Or what I'll do is I'll actually cut them out here. As you can see, I have my gloves on as well with my Lysol, so that way I can keep the germs away and wash my hands when I get inside. But here are my packages. All of my packages arrived today, you guys, so I'm hella excited. I can't wait to show you guys what's up. So one of the things that I'll do, So one of the things that I'll do, you guys, is get my little scissors and I'll go ahead and cut them out here. But what I'm going to go ahead and do, you guys, I'm actually going to put the camera away so I can stay extra safe. And I'm going to unbox everything and then show you guys what I got. All right, guys, I am inside now. All of the packages are cleaned and everything. So now we can safely do our mini unboxing. It's kind of not really an unboxing because, you know, you guys didn't get to see me take out everything out of the box. But I haven't touched anything. I've been waiting for you guys. So I can't wait to use all of these products. Oh, my gosh. Okay. Let me show you. All right, you guys. Okay, where should I start? Okay, so I think I'm gonna start here. So you guys, I got stuff from JUVIA'S place. I have never owned a JUVIA'S place palette, and this is one of my first. And I also got this JUVIA'S place palette. So this is the Saharan by JUVIA'S. I could say that better. The Masquerade mini JUVIA'S palette. So I got these two JUVIA'S palettes, JUVIA'S place palettes. Oh my gosh, can I speak? I'm so excited. And then I got these faux mink lashes by Eylure London. This is the Jordyn Woods one. Tropical like it's hot. So that's what it's called. I chose these because I was thinking that they would look a little bit more natural. They have like the different layers and everything like that. So I figured it would be like a nice fanned out lash. I also got another Eylure London by Jasmine Brown. This is the Curly Queen. This is the one. These are the pair that I've been waiting for. I actually have two pairs now. I haven't opened that one yet. I'll go ahead and grab that too so you guys can see that one. It didn't come in this package, but it came in another one, and I'm hella excited. So the other thing that I got are these ARDELL Wispies. These are my go-to lashes all the time. So if you ever see any of my videos, my makeup videos, these are typically the lashes that I'll be wearing. I have been incorporating a little bit of different lashes, but these are the ones that I have been wearing recently. Oh, by the way, do not mind my nails. Can you see this? This is ridiculous. Okay, so I actually have been wanting to make a nail video for you guys. So if you know me and you've been a follower, a subscriber, part of the Trendy Squad from the way beginning, before it was even called Trendy Squad, you know that makeup wasn't my number one. And it still isn't my number one. Nails are my thing. So I wanted to know if you guys want to see a nail video. Like I'm telling you, nails are my thing. I could tell you so much about nails. I haven't really incorporated that much in my channel because it's kind of hard to make those type of videos. It's a lot easier for me to do something different and something like outside of my comfort zone. But nails are my thing. I can do a video of the transformation, just taking off your nails when you have acrylic, dip, shellac, whatever the case may be. We could do a video like that if you're interested. If you want to know like how to properly and safely remove your nail polish, how to do your nails at home, especially since everybody seems to be like, to me, nails have been the primary thing that I've noticed that people want to know, because a lot of people know how to do their own hair and like their light makeup, whatever, but doing your nails, even celebrities I have seen are absolutely deprived, and it's just like crazy to me. But yeah, if you guys want to see a nail video from me, please let me know in the comments below. I have ideas, but I kind of want to know which direction to go for that type of video. All right, let's continue with this unboxing. So here are all the things that I got from Ulta. Ulta had a sale, so I went ahead and got all of these items. Okay, as you can see, I went a little lash crazy, but hey, I was planning on making a ton of videos. I'd rather have all these options because these are the primary lashes that I normally use. And this is the pair that I'm like, okay, I've never used Eylure London before, so I'm actually pretty excited. Jasmine Brown, she is a YouTuber, if you guys don't know, which you probably do. But she actually, these are her lashes, and I'm pretty excited to use them. I'll show you guys the other pair shortly. These are the Ardell Flawless Lashes. I actually use these in my graduation video, so if you guys haven't seen that, check it out. These are so pretty. They really photograph well. And then this is the other, these are the other lashes by Jasmine Brown. So these are JB Dramatic. So to me, they're both cute, but I really like this one. So I can't wait to try this one on. So yeah. So, okay, shoot. You like those effects? Maybe they're annoying, I don't know. So this is the next thing that I got. This is from Sephora. I have been wanting to figure out some sunscreen that works for my skin. So summer is approaching. Yes, we are inside, but hopefully by then we'll be out and free and in the sun. Yeah, so basically I was just trying to figure out some sunscreen that works for me. So I've been using Super Goop, that brand. It's like a resetting mist. I've used that before. I took it with me to crop over. If you haven't watched that video, definitely go ahead and check it out. And you know, it's really hot at crop over. Skin's out, face is out, everything's out. So I use that sunscreen even all over my body. And I didn't get sunburned while I was there. So that brand has worked for me. But this... it almost dropped. Okay. This set really excited me. It intrigued me, I should say. I wasn't too excited. I was a little bit more intrigued. Let's go ahead and go over this set. But it's basically a kit full of different types of sunscreens from Sephora. So I was like, okay, this would be perfect for me because I want to try different brands and see maybe something else might work. I've been seeing Dermalogica by a few different influencers and I've been kind of interested. So this was like a good way to pretty much find a sunscreen that might work for my skin. So I have really sensitive skin. If you guys have sensitive skin too, then maybe some of these will work for you and maybe they won't. But yeah, we can always go ahead and do like a review video or something like that if you guys are interested. If you are, definitely give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. So let's go ahead and open this up. So these are all the different sunscreens that are inside of this pouch. By the way, I'm just gonna like slide this out. Look at this pouch. Like, this is a good little makeup bag. I'm about to take this with me, and it's that material that like basically you can get wet, like the sweatsuit material. So I'm pretty excited about this because this would be perfect for traveling. I could take this on a yacht or something. You know, I'm from Miami. Could take this on a boat whenever that time comes. Okay, so these are the different things that are inside. This actually, I got a full size for this. Dr. Dennis Gross. Okay, moving on. So this has dark spot sun defense sunscreen and it's SPF 50. Okay, so that's one of the things that is inside of this. Here is the brand that I was just telling you guys about, Super Goop. So this one's unseen sunscreen. I've actually been wanting to try this, but it hasn't interested me too much. I figured that resetting one would work perfectly because you can use it without any makeup, and you can also use it over your makeup if you don't have a foundation that covers with SPF. So, or includes SPF, I should say. This one is by Ren Clean Skincare. So it says Clean Screen Mineral SPF. So it's mattifying. It's a face sunscreen, of course, and it says broad spectrum. It has zinc oxide and it's naturally derived from, it says a different language now, so never mind, forget everything else. So that's another one. So there's a lot of different things in here. This was just $39. I'm not sure if they still have it at Sephora. This looks actually pretty interesting. Can you see that? Is it focusing? Focus. Let me do this. Ooh, okay, it's not focusing. I'll show you guys in a second. So this one is a serum. It's by Kate Somerville. It says soothe and restore. So maybe you can use this if you have a sunburn. I don't know why I would want a serum like before I went to the beach or something. It says to use it in the morning and the night. So AM and PM, apply 1 to 2 drops to cleanse skin. Use alone with another product by this brand and layer with a serum or moisturizer. So are you even a sunscreen? Okay, so no, it's just a serum. All right. Ooh, Drunk Elephant. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so oh, this is the Umbra Tint Physically Daily Defense sunscreen. So this one just has SPF 30, but it's so cute. You can fit it in your purse. Okay, guys, I don't know if you guys want to see all of these things, but might as well. Okay, so this one, I have never known how to pronounce this brand. I'm not even gonna try it. Oh, Dermalogica. I was just talking about Dermalogica and the fact that there's a few other influencers that have used this brand. So this one says age smart, you know, because if you don't put a sunscreen on or moisturizer, over time your skin is not going to look as good when you get older. So you want to use a lot of sunscreen and moisturizer when it comes to your skincare routine. We can go ahead and get into another video about that too. I've been wanting to do a skincare video as well. But yeah, so this is an SPF moisturizer. So basically, this one says that it stops aging skin. So it helps with that. Okay, so let me go into that brand that I was telling you I don't know the name of. Say this. Is this Shiseido? Shiseido? I never know how to say this brand. I bet you it's a lot more easy than I expect. But yeah, so this one says Urban Environment Oil for UV Protection. Wow, there's so many things inside of here. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and link down below the rest of these. So we have Lancome. I'm just going to kind of speed this up so that way you can at least see what's inside. This brand I've seen a few times. It looks so cool every time I see it. So Coola. Okay, so it's a mineral sun silk cream. That sounds very interesting. So I'm kind of putting like the ones I'm interested in over here. Oh wait, we gotta move Drunk Elephant. Okay, Drunk Elephant, you're there. Okay, cool. Let's see. Oh, there's more Supergoop. Okay, so Play everyday lotion with sunflower extract. That's cool. We also have, oh, a few of them are stuck to each other. Oh, this brand again. I'm pretty sure this brand is really good, but I don't know how to say it. Shiseido? I do not know how to say that. Okay. So we also have BioEssence sunscreen. I've used this brand. I like it. It's pretty cool. This is a squalene and zinc sheer mineral sunscreen. Then I also have, oh, good old buddy over here from First Aid Beauty, weightless liquid mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide. So there's a few different things in here that have zinc oxide. And then these are pretty cool. I kind of googled this one because I was like, what on earth could this be? So yeah, so basically these help with vitamin D. It's actually a supplement. So that way you can also work internal. So sometimes doing things externally and doing things internally, doing them both together can really help with your health in general. So, yeah, this one's kind of cool. So I don't know if I'll try these. I'm really interested. You know, like I don't know if I'll try that one. Just, we don't really got to get into detail. But yeah, so that is what is in my box. Okay, so those were in 2 boxes. We didn't open this. We can't end this video just yet. Oh my gosh, I might need a knife or something. Because, like, it has these little things. I hate these little things. I mean, they're useful, but I like to, like, slice them. Hold on a second. I got the knife. I'm just kidding. These are scissors. Okay, I got the scissors, you guys. I had to put you guys on the ground. I should have just whipped out my tripod, but... Oh, I just cut the... This is why I don't like these things. I just cut the box. Look, I'm cutting the box. Okay, wait. Let's be... I went to college. I should be able to open this, right? Okay, so this palette, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is the mini one. Ooh. Okay, ooh, I like this matte. This matte casing is very nice. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Okay, this is what it looks like, y'all. Wow, this is really pretty. Hold up, let me flip it. It looks a little, it could look prettier. Hold on. These are the colors. Wow, this is very pretty. Okay, so you know when you buy something online and you're just like, I don't know if it's gonna look that good, or sometimes you're like, man, this is gonna look great, and then you get it and it doesn't look good. So this one, ooh, I love eyeshadow palettes. Okay, guys, now time for the next one. I just already sliced it open just so we could just make this a little quicker. Let's see. Oh, ow. Come on, man. Get out. Oh, this one is so cute. It's little. Okay, look, watch the difference. It's tiny. It's smaller. Okay, so this one is the Saharan or Saharan. I'm just kidding. Oh, this one is so pretty. Okay, look. Let me flip it. Wow, this is pretty. Ooh, yes. Who's ready for some looks with these 2 palettes? Wow, JUVIA'S Place's colors are really pretty. They make me feel like I am somewhere. Like this one to me is Moroccan vibes, in my opinion. And this one, well, maybe this one's more Moroccan. Ooh. Okay, Well, they're both pretty nice. All right, you guys, today's video is a wrap. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see me do a look with any of these products that I've gotten or a review on any of the sunscreens, definitely let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, Trendy Squad. Bye. See you guys next time.